Good morning, ma'am. I trust you've settled comfortably.
Oh yes, thank you. The room is so beautiful. And I'm actually planning to explore the beautiful town of Taal. And can you share, or do you have places here that you can take me?
Certainly, ma'am. Taal is a town rich in the history and charm. May I suggest to visit in Taal Basilica? It is one of the largest churches in the country. Its architecture is simply stunning, and the view from its ground is interesting.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What else?
Another gem would be the Taal Heritage Town itself. The old Spanish-era houses are beautifully preserved, offering a glimpse into the town's past. And of course, there's the Taal volcano, which is a short trip from here, and the view from the top overlooking Taal Lake is unforgettable.
I've heard of Taal volcano. Is it safe to visit?
Absolutely, ma'am. Just check the weather and any alerts before you go.
I think I found my itinerary for today. Thank you so much for the tour.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. If you need anything else, do not hesitate to call upon me. Thank you.
Will do. Thank you very much again.